Most knife sets are full of cheap knives that let you down. Not this one. This is the Valhalla Series Ravenstone Edition 5-piece block set, only from Dalstrong. The chef's essential toolkit for every kind of cut, upgraded to perform better, look better, feel better in your hand. The 8-inch chef knife, your daily workhorse. The 7-inch Santoku, the Japanese-style push-cut specialist. An 8-inch bread knife that glides through the toughest crusts and most delicate pastries. And the 6-inch utility knife and 4-inch paring for cutting with maximum precision and finesse. From everyday prep to high-volume culinary action, every single high-carbon blade is enhanced with black titanium nitride, Dalstrong D3 sharpened to a scalpel edge, and Lion Shield treated for zero-resistance slicing, lasting sharpness, and incredible strength against corrosion, wear, and tear. But here's the coolest part. Every handle is unique. Built from stabilized wood and finished one by one with a beautiful resin casting. Yours are one of a kind. And the block, the pride of your countertop. Sleek, space-saving, it elevates your space without cluttering it. Stop settling for ordinary. Upgrade your kitchen to legendary. The Valhalla Series Ravenstone 5-piece block set. Get yours now only from Dalstrong.